Hello and welcome to Insurance Made Simple. My name is Brian and today we're going to go over the top 25 things you need to do to prepare your home when you go on vacation. Also, the top 2 things you don't want to do. All right, number 1, make sure you leave your contact information with at least one neighbor. I might also suggest leaving a family member's contact information in case they can't get a hold of you. Number 2, I suggest having your neighbor park in your driveway. That at least makes it look like somebody's home. Number 3, ask your neighbor to check for deliveries like any auto shipments or any Amazon shipments and bring them to their home so they don't accumulate at yours. Number 4, I would suggest either pausing your mail or having it forwarded. Number 5 is if you need to have it sent to where you're at, there's a great article from Truck Camper magazine called Sending and Receiving Mail on the Road. I'm going to include that link below the video here, and it has some great tips for if you do need to forward your mail and you don't have an actual place that you're always at. All right, number 6, make sure that your lawn stays mowed. Also, your landscaping stays nice, so hire somebody to do that while you're gone. Number 7, unplug small appliances and any electronic devices. Number 8, put the water heater in vacation mode. Number 9, run your garbage disposal with a half a cup of water and a half a cup of vinegar, and you won't come home to a smelly garbage disposal. Number 10, empty your refrigerator out of any perishables. Some people say empty it all out and unplug it and open the doors, but in my opinion, if a burglar comes into your home and sees that, they know for sure you're not home. So I wouldn't recommend that. But what I would recommend is to share those perishables with your neighbor that's doing all the helping for you. You might also throw in a couple steaks and beers just for good measure. Number 11, take out your kitchen trash. Make sure that you don't have any trash in the home that may get stinky while you're gone. Number 12, turn off the water valves to your dishwasher and your washing machine. Number 13, set your thermostat closer to a temperature that is outside. So like now, summertime, make sure you turn your thermostat up. Okay, number 14, you make sure that your smoke detectors are working properly, because in the event of a fire, if your smoke detectors aren't working, that might be a basis for your insurance company not to pay the claim. I know that sounds crazy, but you don't want to give them any ammunition. Number 15, install 2 outdoor floodlights, motion controlled, one out front, one out back. Obviously at nighttime, they come on, they're bright, and they will scare away any would-be burglars. Number 16, if you can afford it, get an Alexa or a Google Assistant and make sure you have some smart plugs and some smart lights. You can either pre-program them so they all come on at different times of the day, every day, or you can control it all from your iPhone or a combination of both. I should say your smartphone. Number 17, consider a web camera system. Costco has quite a few, very affordable, that could help you actually see all of the parts of your home while you're away. Number 18, I would highly recommend buying a Ring with camera, a Ring doorbell with camera. I bought one. I love it. I can answer the door from anywhere I'm at, talk to the people, and they think I'm inside. It's awesome. Number 19 and number 20, I love, because they just give appearances that aren't real, but the burglars don't know that. So number 19, go out and get a huge dog bowl and a chain. Preferably you want a chain that's not new. If it is, go beat it all up, and same with the bowl. You don't want it to look new. Put them out back with a sign that says beware of dog. So whether you have a dog or not, that will deter a lot of would-be burglars. And number 20 goes along with that. Go get another sign that says this home is protected by ABC Security Company. Burglar doesn't know. All right, number 21. You can actually go get an app on your phone that controls your thermostat. But that way, if you don't want to just leave the thermostat set at one temperature the whole time you're gone, you can control it with your phone. Number 22, close your fireplace flue. Number 23, take pictures of all your valuables. Anything that you would want to be reimbursed for, take a picture of it. A, it'll prove you have it, and B, it'll show the condition it's in. Number 24, how to properly leave a car, especially for extended periods of time. There's another article that I found in Edmunds. It's titled, How to Prep Your Car for Long-Term Storage. I will also include that below the video. It has some excellent tips on preparing a car. Number 25, notify your credit card company and your home security company, if you have one, that you're leaving. Those are the top 25 to-dos. Here are the top don't do's. Number 1, don't hide a house key anywhere on your property, especially under a fake rock next to your front door. All that does is advertise to the burglar that that's where your key is. So, what I recommend is go out, buy a cheap lockbox from Home Depot or any hardware store. Hide that. That way when they find the lockbox, they still got to get in through the lock to get the key. That you can give, the combination you can give to a neighbor or a family member. And the last thing is never post on social media that you're going somewhere. I also wouldn't even put it on your voicemail. I think that just advertises where you're going and how long you'll be gone. So I would highly recommend not doing any posting to social media of any of that stuff. Just wait till you get home and post all you want when you get back. Those are my top 25 to-dos and top 2 not to-dos. I hope you found value in this video. And if you did, I would encourage you to subscribe, ring the bell below. You'll be notified of any other videos I do. And remember, I created this channel to help make insurance simple for you. Thank you and have an awesome day. Bye-bye.